Hi everybody, today I want to show you this computer desk, gaming desk, whatever you want to use it for. The brand name is SIKAIC and it has a carbon fiber look to it, really nice. It has drawers, they're made of cloth, and you have a power strip on top of it. You can put LEDs on it. It comes with a nice cushion for either to put your keyboard on top of it or as a mouse pad. It has cup holders. It has hooks for you to either hook the cables or anything else you need, another power strip or whatever else you want. They're on the side. It has two shelves. So again, you can put your monitors and you still have the space on the bottom. And it has a lot of different features. It looks really nice with the carbon fiber. So I'm gonna put it together and then I'm gonna show you the final result so that you can see what I see. It comes in this box and it has, aside from the instructions, it has all the tools you need, so you don't have to have anything else other than what it comes in the box. So this is the finished table. As you can see, it has the drawers, two nice drawers. It has a cup holder right here and a couple of hooks if you want to hook up anything there. You have the outlet and another USB port right there. As you can see, it has this very nice carbon fiber texture or look to it. It comes with this pad right here that is either you can put your keyboard or your mouse, and extra, like if you have a PC, you can put it right there, and extra shelves, and we can change the colors of the LED to anything you want. And there's like 20 different settings where you can have them flash or strobe or different things. So as you can see, it took me very little to put it together. I would say about half an hour, 40 minutes. I have to reset for the camera and things like that, but about 30 minutes, 45 minutes. And really nice quality. I hope that you guys find it as useful and as stylish as I do.